balin sa sayaw, swallows. So anyways, yun nga tunnel is gumawa siya sa bato. Adobe ang tawag ni Ma'am Sir. But the Filipinos are the one who dug this. And then the Japanese used this naman as their shelter or hideout during the war. 1942, Second War po. So this is more than 80 years old na tunnel. And then recently lang siya na-discovered, 1960s, and they found a lot of stuff here. So this is accidentally discovered by the government. So they are constructing the road during that time. It was heated by the backhoe lang po. And then they found the treasures, Kalansay, Bomba, Bagyo. Yes, meron po. Cambodian gold daw po yun. It was an 8 tons daw po na gold bars. 12 inches gold. But now, there's no more na po. Okay. Kaya oo nga naman to. So these are the actual rooms nila. Meeting room and then prayer room. Take a picture of it. You can sit down here.
We are exploring. We don't explore.
Pero kanina lang gabutangan. Ay lang sa mga kay Piggy. Semento lang yung oh, wala na yun. Ano ba? Gold bars. Picture ka. You can hold it. Picture. Picture ka. So, ang nagtumat-tumato. So, the owner of this, hindi na. Ako na ikatapis na.
So guys, hola, diri si Amazita. So nag-explore ka na diri no, si Yok Explorer with, of course, with Ma'am Mel. The very beautiful and very good tour guide. Diri sa may Japanese tunnel. So continue po, Ma'am.
Yes, so this one naman po, Ma'am Sir, this is a well. So be careful with your stuffs. Kaya tuloy na ka-cellphone na hulog diri. This is 10 feet deep. And then the water, as you can see, it's still running because it's a spring. Tubod ina. Muna lang ginainom sa unang water. But I'm not advisable ka kayo muna. Diretso na tayo expensive. Contaminated na naman yung mga hugaw yun na. And now we put a pumping machine to drain the water. That's why it's never flooded. But before, while discovering this tunnel, this is cold water. Yes. And then there's a skeleton kanina. So we can go there. Yan, sige, you move go.
So kanina, ang hospital ni Ma'am?
Mintal River.
What year ito, Ma'am?
1940.
During World War II? 1940s.
But the World War was started in 1942. So most of the
nice. Ang military, no?
This part, Filipinos ang nakakulong. 5 to 6 Filipinos.
Oh, masunod yun.
Yung ano yun.
Yari ka gamay?
Kaya sila pagdas 5 to 6. They are skinny naman and they are ikaw daw ay pagkagama. Dapat i-try ni. Is may mag-try ni.
Sino? Okay na, okay na.
Wala ko representative ba?
Okay na.
Don't worry sa mga tag-asinity daw.
Okay.
Pero mas good po mga you just work and then lang. That's why they build this according to the
Don't touch.
And this motor na malagatulong ng sir, don't you worry, hindi siya galing sa toilet. Baka magtaka kayo may katulong. Walang CR sa iba ako. Hindi po igaling sa
Nice. So, ang kami started way back 1940.
at hindi na nalakas mo.
So, as part of our exploration,
they say that this is the Japanese tunnel in Davao City during the World War II in 1942 and
That's the end of the boundary for property service. This is 750 meters from home by the rest, but iba na yung
pero ang ano niya, so, So guys,
Ini mo na ilang bodega, armory. Na yung mga basyo sa bala, sir, sword, and then gamit. You can get it, sir.
Oh guys, so ako lang din guys, so dito mo sulod.
Tukay ng mga bala. Sulod, sir! Alden Richard, sulod kayo dali. Napulang araw.
Si Alden Richard, no, dali mo.
Yeah, in the other
araw sa
sa
GMA, naaradikan to report. So nagkuhan namin. So, wala guys.
So this part, we close nila ni Kuya was year 2009. There's an earthquake that happened. Mo tumikulat doon naman sa and then makita ko din yung humog bilang part mo kay makita. Usually the way side by side. Oh, gitpadlak yung Kuya. So gina-check lang niya siya pag may earthquake. Pero man nag-check. Wishing area. Commander Officer Office. So, balid daw ang office of commander sa una. So, ang owner anak po sa una, gi-preserve to niya ang skeleton. But the owner of this thing, siya ganang makuha ang skeleton. Ano niya gidaway? Kato lang sword.
Ngunit yun ang si
Commander Officer. Si Commander o Kumada man to. This is translation in Japanese po. Mag-nairo na, no? Ayun man, pagka-translate. Picture mo diri ma'am sir. So diri si Miigang na. That's why we put a blower also. Labi nagdaghan kaayo ma'am. Labi nakaigang. Sa unang panahon, nanay ka pa ng mga hapon, no? Nagmama na sila sa mga bukito. Ito na kawin na sila mga dadawin niya. Balikan din sa dadawin ng mga hapon. Hindi ka nila. Ano yung mga pagkakasya? Hindi mo nagpapaka. Puro ka sa mga morning.
Nakuha ang Cambodian gold. Cambodian account. Say hi, hi. Is this may regalo na ito.
Thank you, sir.
Wow! Change smile.
Very so good.
Ted! Tamboy! Ah, dito na yan. Gusto niyo sa mind.